We're here with game 1 of the Summer Blizzard tourney at K Street Stadium between the Solvay Vipers and Village Royalty. First kick, straight to Joe Mechon, line drive right into his arms. Easy catch, easy peasy out here. We got Joe Mechon jamming out to Gambino. Oh, he's moving over to the kicking area. Gonna get centered with the basket. Ooh, off the backboard, fair. And that's gonna be an easy run for him. He's just gonna do his little trot around the bases. Oh, Zach Mashaw's coming in. Ooh, but safe. So 1-0 Royalty after 1 inning. Top of the second coming up. What'd you say?
Luckiest kick I've ever seen. Skim the top.
Ooh, high kick, but curves foul. Kick number 2 coming in from the Vipers. Ooh, another high kick, but again curves foul. He really has a problem with kicking foul. He cannot keep it straight.
Hold to the backboard.
Yeah, you fucking suck.
I'll get them.
Zach Mashaw lining up for his 3rd kick. He has to be careful. Okay, he's listening for something. What the fuck is this? Ooh, nice line drive kick past Joe Mechon. It looks like Zach Mashaw is going to be able to get around unless Joe Mechon is able to make it, but he is not going to. Tie game, 1-1. Bottom of the second. Joe Mechon, what are you doing? Oh, I love this song. Aw. Yeah. Joe Mechon lining up for his bottom of the 2nd inning kick. Ooh, nice short line drive past the garden. Ooh, safe at the plate. (2-1) Village Royalty after 2. Zach Mashaw really needs to step up his defense. Ooh, a nice little kick, but curves just foul. Now I'm recording. 2nd kick coming up from the Vipers. Ooh, but again, tries to kick it short, but it goes foul. That was a dick kick. That was a pussy kick. 2 fouls now for Zach Mashaw. That was 1? No, that was 2.
Yeah.
Lines up for his 3rd kick. Right to Joe Mechon again. That looks like a repeat of the 1st inning. Easy catch. Easy catch. And now Joe Mechon comes up in the bottom of the 3rd. Still leading 2-1, looking to extend his lead. Joe Mechon is looking to bounce back after, for lack of a better word, disappointing 3rd place finish at yesterday's tournament. Ooh, a dribbler right into the field. Joe Mechon isn't even going to try. Zach Mashaw puts it up within the outs. But yes, Joe Mechon is looking to bounce back after a disappointing 3rd place finish yesterday at the drive to the championship. Zach Mashaw is looking to keep his good streak going of 2nd place finishes. He's been, 2-1 top 4. Ooh, really foul ball by Zach Mashaw. Looks like he needs to straighten out his foot. 1 foul for the Vipers. Another foul ball from Zach Mashaw. He really has not been able to kick it straight recently. I don't think he's had a kick where he hasn't gotten at least 2 fouls. Foul ball again. 3 fouls from Zach Mashaw. 3 fouls for Zach Mashaw. He has to be careful here because he does not want to foul out while he is down a run. We're going to take a little pause here as there is a vehicle passing by. He's lining up for his kick. Oh, Zach Meshaw fouls out. That is not... That's a bold move, Cotton. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, but Zach Meshaw fouls out of his 4th inning kick, which gives Joe Mechon the opportunity to expand his lead again. And looks like he's going to try his new way of kicking. Ooh, and it's a pretty good kick, but right to Zach Meshaw. Looks like this is going to be an easy play at the plate. Oh, Zach Meshaw misses! And Joe Mechon is safe! Zach Meshaw misses the easy layup. That has been the story of these past couple days. Zach Meshaw not being able to finish his plays at the plate. And Joe Mechon takes the lead 3-1. Oh, that's a fair ball. Zach Meshaw hurdles it. And it's an out. Play. All right. It's bottom 5. 3-1.
Zach fouled out.
Yep. 3-1 Joseph, bottom 5.
Did that score last time?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's 3-1. Oh, off the backboard. And that's really unlucky for Zach Meshaw. He's hustling to get it, but it looks like Joe Mechon is going to be able to score. And Joe Mechon is safe at the plate. 4-1. Top of the 6th inning. Zach Meshaw is going to need to step up his performance and get some runs on the board. But as you all know, there is a continuous 9th inning now, so it's not like he is in too much trouble yet. That is... Do we call that fair?
Hit after the pull.
I think that would be fair.
Hit after the pull.
Yeah, I think that would be fair. So Zach Meshaw with a nice little kick. Oh, damn bugs. Zach Meshaw, since we are in this timeout break, what do you need to improve on in order for you to make this comeback against Joe Mechon? You were only down 2 runs, but the game is quickly coming to the 9th inning.
My kicks and my fielding, everything has to improve. You know, my kicks was shitty all day. My fielding, shitty.
Really?
What do you say?
We're going to have a 4-man tournament.
Oh, Nick's coming?
So I play Nick?
So, the recent, about 2 years ago, Nick Mechon's just coming back.
Winners will play, and then loser will play winner.
You're just gonna have to do that. All right.
So you guys play, and then the losers of these 2 games play, and then the winners of these 2 games play.
Yeah.
And then the loser of the winner's game plays the winner of the loser's game.
Okay.
What's the bottom 5?
Yep.
4-2. Bottom 6, 4-2. So I got them out once.
Is it bottom 6, 4-2?
Yeah.
Okay.
got
Bottom
one.
6, 4-2.
I got them out once.
And it looks like we're gonna have a new player in this tournament. It's going to be Nick Mechon.
Play, so
He forgot how to play.
that's
All he has to do is know how to kick and put it in. This is going on YouTube. Oh shit. We're here in the bottom of the 6th inning. 4-2. Joe Mechon in the lead. Again, looking to make this a 3-run lead. Ooh, that's a fair kick. That was a beautifully placed kick as he curves it from fair into foul territory. And Joe Mechon is safe at the plate. And it is 5-2 in the top of the 7th. Zach Meshaw really needs to start scoring and making these defensive plays at home. He lines up for his kick. Looks like he's going for a casket. Oh no, he fakes him out, but he kicks it just foul. Zach Meshaw lines up for his 2nd kick after kicking the previous one foul. Well, there's a motor vehicle, so take a little pause. Hopefully this music cannot be heard.
Why not?
Because our video might get flagged because it's copyright music.
Look, because not the whole song is fine.
I think it's 30 seconds. You're only allowed to have 30 seconds in it. And this is a 10-minute video so far, so. Ooh, a beautiful kick from Zach Mashaw. And Joe Mechon is just gonna let this one roll out. Doesn't want to waste his energy for the upcoming games. And Zach Mashaw is going to reduce his lead to 2 runs. 5-3 in the bottom of the 7th inning. Foul ball. Oh, wait, no, that was fair. Damn. Joe Mechon's going to score. Am I Snapchatting? No, man, YouTube. YouTube. Yeah, dude. We have like 3,000 subscribers.
Are you
You're
serious?
one.
No, we have 1.
It's me.
No, I subscribe too, so it's 2. You already know we record these. Why not?
So top 8.
Top 8, 5, 3.
Something like that.
Top 8, 5, 3. Oh, well, that was gonna be a run. Zach Mashaw rounding 3rd. Joe Mechon puts it up. Oh, balling. Nope. He can't pull the Josh Dinka.
Yeah, 6'4".
6'4", you mean 5'4"?
Nah, it's close.
Oh, you did?
He's only going home. Remember, it went into the road.
Oh, yeah. 6'4", bottom 8. Paul. Bottom 8, 6'4". I don't know how you can kick like this. Well, apparently you can't, because that was really foul. 1 foul here for Joe Mixon. Line drive straight to Zach. It's fair. Oh, and Zach Mashaw gets him out at the plate. Top of the 9th inning. Zach Mashaw down 2 runs. Going to need to take advantage of this continuous 9th inning.
Not in the movie? Well, no. Yeah, exactly.
Hurry up and kick.
One white guy to be Green Lantern?
Just foul for his first kick.
Jordan? That was open.
Yeah, Zach, that was a pretty bad kick.
Yeah, I didn't try to kick it.
Sure,
Nerd in there?
sure.
You're like, alright, I need to come back here. Are you winning?
No, he's down 2.
I pooped.
Continuous 9th inning though.
Rallying the troops and
Took a poop.
rallying the pool.
Sun's so bright. Oh, well, looks like the game's about to be over once Joe Mechon fucks up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. 6-5, top 9.
Oh!
Missed 3 layups.
You pulled the Zach Mashaw.
Dunk on that shit.
No one can dunk. Except maybe you. I can barely, like, I can grab rim, but I can't dunk the ball.
I don't understand how you can't dunk.
I don't know, I'm too short. Ooh, a bomb kick from Zach, but foul. What'd you say? Bottles kush blowing like a whistling referee. Oh my god, Zach, why do you kick it foul?
I gotta rest.
Because he's like, I'm trying to swing it in.
I gotta rest.
Dude, it's not that tiring of a sport.
In before the pole. And the flag is just.
Oh, Zach Mashaw with a bomb kick. Is he gonna? He's gonna tie this game up. Are you fucking kidding me? I thought this game was gonna be over with.
Yo, what the fuck?
It bounced over to the neighbor's yard. Zach Mashaw almost kicked a home run. You can't even touch him. Tie game 6-6, top 9. Joe Mechon really needs to stop him in order for him to get the W in the bottom of the inning. Come on, guys, hurry up.
Shut your damn mouth.
Zach, why do you always kick like
I'm
that?
trying.
Foul.
Yo,
It almost went fair, kind of, but. Messi null, though.
I like this ball.
Right?
Where do you even get ball like that?
Dollar store at the bottom of the hill. That's where we got every single one of them. It's so colorful. I love it. Ooh. Ooh, that's a fair ball. Joe Mechon, will he get it?
It was like a truck.
Out. I almost said safe.
It was an ugly layup, but it was like a fan stole the ball at like a WNBA game. It worked.
6-6, bottom 9. Joe Michan has a chance to win the game here. Oh, but a grounder right to Zach. If Zach doesn't fuck up, this will go to the extras. Oh no, he missed. He missed. He missed. Oh my God, Joe Michan just won because Zach Mashal sucks. Joe Michan wins 7-6 with a walk-off hit in the bottom of the 9th. What a way to start off the summer blizzard.